Alright, y'all. So I made this cute little outfit out of a man's shirt, and I basically just cut it in half to like a crop top where I wanted it to stop. And I took in the sides and the sleeve. That's where I sewed it down. And this is how it looked. I'm going to come back to it because I had to fix the sleeves. The bottom part, I just pleated it, sewed it to some denim that was pleated as well. And I added it to a pair of joggers. Like, quick, simple, easy, cute. And it was just so unique. So I just had to sew it on at the bottom. This me and my daughter, she wanted her a sewing machine that bad. But I got another video for that. And look how cute this is, y'all. Like, oh, I love it so much. And it was too cold to wear it like that with no bra and no top. So I still had like a fur, so I won't be too cold. But I wanted to add like a scrunch to the wrist. So I used like a waistband, sewed it with a zigzag stitch. And this is the outside, and I love it. And I just felt like the gloves just gave it like an extra look. I don't know, y'all. I was like, I was in between. Like, it kind of looked right, but then I wasn't sure. But I was like, fuck it. I think it looked cute, and I'm not going to try to be like everybody else. Like, if I like it and I think it look cute, like, I'm going to wear it. So that's what I did. And, I still had it open with a bra, but I wore it closed most of the time. But I love it.